driving to Durango, Colorado. Some really pretty views. New Mexico. I absolutely love it here. Today is the morning of the hike up to the Chicago Basin, and we're choking on these fumes, so I'm gonna make this short. There's our packs. They're about 60 pounds a piece, if not more, and we're ready to rock and roll. We are currently at the Needle Creek Trail. The train just dropped us off. We've got 6 miles to go, and as you can see, my rucksack and Ron's rucksack ain't no joke. But we're gonna make it work. So let's get started. So, as you can see, we've got a deer staring right at us. He wants food, if I was guessing. Got a little fawn with her. But obviously a mule deer, not a whitetail. So here's our little campsite. Just down this trail over here is the river, and that's how we've been getting our water, filtering it, of course. Yeah, so the Chicago Basin is pretty spectacular. I have really enjoyed the campsites. They're completely primitive, and again, you have to take a train to get out here because no road leads here. I think that's neat in itself. So a little birdie decided to visit us. I think it's a grouse. Probably trying to get out of that wet weather. Well, good morning. We are at Twin Lakes. It was about an hour and a half hike from our campsite, and it was pretty extensive. It was very much uphill. Gorgeous morning. Sun is shining. We got dumped on this morning hiking up here. We're getting a lot closer to the treacherous part, which is coming up. All right, we are on the saddle. The remainder of the route, no poles needed. We're going to be boulder hopping pretty much for the rest of the route. So it's going to take some skill and focus. All right, we're on the final summit pitch. Probably 30 more minutes to the top. What would you say? 30 minutes?
At the most.
We are currently at the summit of Sunlight Peak, as promised. Maybe one class 4 move. The rest was pretty severe class 3. It was no joke. This was a tough climb. I would advise anybody climbing it to have climbed other mountains first. This was the way we had to come up, and it was sheer drop-offs, as you can see. We're gonna make it back down to there. I don't know if this video does it justice, but we've got to climb down that, and it is pretty straight drop. So we're gonna take our time and keep going. Well, I've made it back down to Twin Lakes. And on my way back to the campsite, I'll say it was a good climb. Pretty technical. And I did throw up once. They don't appear to be afraid of humans. That's one thing about sunlight. You're gonna see mountain goats, you're gonna see deer, you may see a mountain lion, and I heard a bear. So anyway, very wild, but the wildlife is pretty neat too. So anyway, let me get past them real quick. Hey guys. And that's that. Okay, last day. We are packing out. It rained all day yesterday and all night. The only window of non-rain we got was summiting Sunlight Peak. But we're packed up, as you can see, ready to go and head back to the train station. A lot of fun, beautiful. We saw deer, we saw mountain goats, we saw it all. So luckily we didn't see any bears. But that's it. All right. And our view going out.